Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
KTM RC390 First Look, 21 Fast Facts, Track and Street Motorcycle. The sole supersport motorcycle in the KTM lineup gets major updates for 2022. The most significant changes are to the chassis, including the bodywork. The motor also gets a bit of massaging for more power, along with the arrival of an electronics suite. So, get your leathers on, and let's take a closer look at the 2022 KTM RC390. Number 1. The 2022 KTM RC390 gets new suspension. The fork is a highly adjustable WP Apex setup, with an open cartridge design. Although there's no spring preload adjustment, there are 30 clicks at your disposal for both compression and rebound damping personalization. The shock is also a WP Apex unit. The shock's spring preload can be adjusted, along with your choice of 5 settings for rebound damping. Number 2. KTM put the RC390 on a diet, starting with unsprung weight. The new wheels are 7.5 pounds lighter than the previous hoops, and the new ByBre braking system is over 2 pounds lighter. The axle is hollow for lighter weight. Number 3. KTM didn't forget sprung weight. The new frame is 3.3 pounds lighter than last year. Number 4. The new frame makes the bike narrower. KTM paid particular attention to the knee area, giving the rider a slimmer motorcycle with a larger contact area for turning. Number 5. The all-new bodywork on the 2022 KTM RC390 is inspired by the RC16 raced by Brad Binder and Miguel Oliveira on the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing MotoGP team. It will be available in 2 color choices. Number 6. High-speed slipperiness is a feature of the new bodywork. Yes, the KTM engineers fired up the main frame and used computational fluid dynamics. Number 7. Street riders will be happy to know that the new fairing helps protect the rider from wind and rain. Further, the inner and outer body panels are used to keep engine heat from cooking the rider. Number 8. There will be fewer fuel stops on the street, thanks to an increased fuel capacity.
Wow!
The new 390 holds 3.6 gallons of high test. Number 9. The cockpit on the 2022 KTM RC390 is all new, including a new TFT display. Cast aluminium supports keep the plastic in place, and the headlight gets a composite mount. Number 10. The new TFT display connects to your smartphone via the KTM MyRide app. The TFT is light sensitive and self-adjusting for conditions. Number 11. While you're looking at the new dash, you'll be sitting on a new seat. The foam is thicker for comfort, while the cover is seamless for ease of movement. Once you find your spot, the grippier cover material keeps you there, in the sun or rain. Number 12. The clip-ons have a 10mm height adjustment range. Low for the track and high for the street, for most riders. Number 13. The RC390's foot pegs are new and lighter. Number 14. To show off the new frame, the rear plastic is minimized. It is also designed to look more aggressive. Number 15. At the racetrack, the bodywork can be removed more easily than before. Fewer screws hold the plastic on. Number 16. The new chassis gets plenty of electronic help. The suite of rider aids includes Supermoto ABS, cornering aware ABS, rear wheel lift mitigation, and traction control. If you want a KTM quickshifter, be prepared to pay extra, however. Number 17. There's a new airbox, and that means more torque and improved throttle response from the Doak Mill. Power production peaks at 43 horsepower. Number 18. With more power on tap, KTM improved airflow through the radiator to keep the temperature steady. Number 19. Lane splitters will appreciate the new narrower profile rearview mirrors. The new mirrors are also more aerodynamic once you're out of traffic and winding the motor up. Number 20. Street riders will like the new LED lighting. Number 21. Be patient and have a flexible budget. We don't know what the 2022 KTM RC390 will cost, and the diminutive Supersport won't hit showroom floors until March. 2022 KTM RC390 specs. Engine. Chassis.